Hello, I am Fisher Taylor, and I have got a 1970 Dodge Charger. Now, the Dodge Charger wasn't born on the dragway. It was born on the NASCAR circuit. That's right, the NASCAR circuit. And they built these cars, especially for NASCAR. And want to see the first Chargers? Just go on Google, type in 1966 Dodge Charger, and see what the first one looks like. Anyways, let's take a look at the interior. And this interior is pretty simple. All it has is a steering wheel. Only cool part that well, it's not really an interior. It's just got a steering wheel. So, but the real part, see this right here? That's right. Supercharged 426 Hemi. Now the 426 Hemi was a very, very special engine. As you can see. And back in the old days of NASCAR, Richard Petty drove one. I don't know the other NASCAR drivers who drove one, but Mopar teamed up. But every single car that had Mopar was mostly like Plymouth and Dodge, mostly. And in year 1969, Dodge came out because now in 1969, Dodge came out with his Charger 500, and they thought that would be the solution to win races. Nope, it didn't work. So they bought out the regular Charger. Still didn't do well on the track. So they went back to the drawing board, converted a Charger 500, and they put a wing and a sleek nose. And what do you get? No. A Dodge Daytona. And the Dodge Daytona was the solution. They smoked every single car on the circuit. And then in 1970, Plymouth made their own wing wonder. Oh God, I fell on the floor. The Plymouth. Whoa! Sorry. The Plymouth Superbird. Alright, end the video.
No, keep going.
Alright, the Plymouth Superbird, they based it off the Plymouth Roadrunner. And alright, let's restart.